So guys, this is Santa, and I'm just smiling with Santa.
This is Santa, and I'm all the way from Santaland, which is up there, North Pole. And I hope you all children be very, very good this year. If you're not, no. Presents. Okay, bye.
Bye. Hi everyone, it's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, guys. Tonight, I'm taking you all to Oxford Circus, and I'm going down by Piccadilly Circus also. I want to see the Christmas lighting in the city. Circus, and I'm just gonna have a look at the lights. It's very beautiful outside here, so just stay tuned. These sets of lights are the falling stars. It's so beautiful. These decorations are on point. As I'm recording the lights, I'm also having a look at the shop fronts. I can see that these shop owners, they really put in the work. Everybody displays looking lovely. I'm just walking in the middle of the road so I can get these lovely shots. Now I'm going on Regent Street, and these are the angels, the Spirit of Christmas 2021 on Regent Street. As I was recording, I came across this young man showing his talent. Yes, my love, his friend was recording him. So I just stopped and have a look, and this is what he was doing. I'm calling him Mr. Flexible Man. Wishing you and your family peace, health, happiness, and prosperity in the coming year. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
So guys, this is Santa and I'm just smiling with Santa.
This is Santa, and I'm all the way from Santa Land, which is up there, North Pole. And I hope you all children be very, very good this year. If you're not, no. Presents. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Tonight I'm just taking a look at the lovely lights. As you can see, yes, UK are going with things.
So I'm just strolling around and just looking. And you don't know it already. Girl by herself. And girl I do her things by herself. As you can see, it's so beautiful outside here. You see my background, people?
Piccadilly Circus is a road junction and public space of London's West End in the city of Westminster. It was built in 1819 to connect Regent Street with Piccadilly. In this context, a circus, from the Latin word meaning circle, is a round open space at a street junction. And here we have the famous billboard in London. Christmas light in the shape of a star over the street of Leicester Square. Don't forget to subscribe to me on social media. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, why not share it? Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.